Level 9, Advanced. The Three Little Pigs. 3 little pigs once left their mother to build houses of their own. The first pig, being lazy, built his house out of straw. It took only a short time. The second pig built his house with sticks. It was a little better, but still weak. The third pig was wise and hardworking. He built his house with strong bricks, which took patience and time. Before long, a hungry wolf appeared. He first went to the straw house and demanded to be let inside. When the pig refused, the wolf blew it down easily. The frightened pig ran to his brother's stick house. But the wolf blew that house down as well. The 2 pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf huffed and puffed with all his strength, but he could not destroy it. Angry and defeated, the wolf went away. Inside, the 3 pigs felt safe and happy, and they realized that hard work and careful planning lead to true safety and success.